Well, hello, welcome to Fantastic Suite. Come in, come in, come in. It's very spacious, 2% perfect. A family could stay here. This in the entrance of that laundry bag that you can purchase. If you take away, they will charge 350 baht. Makeup plan, which is like toilet paper. There's some amenities like shoe shine, shoe mate, suitcase, sanitary pad. We also have a luggage rack, iron and ironing board. Yes, this is what I call luxury hotel. Okay, so this is the mixed bar, the W Hotel mixed bar. As usual, you have all the main bar items, candies, chocolate, Pringles, snacks. You could have a gummy bear, protein bar, yes. Of course, the booze. This is the price. If you're interested in purchasing the one made in Italy coffee maker, your complimentary drinking water. This is for your coffee and tea. Oh, what kind of tea is it? Oh, TWG, you guys, the favorite. This English breakfast only. Provided some coupons. That's like, this is kitchen table. This is the pool bar. This is the spa, and this is the house on Saturn, which is the older colonial building. Just there as well. So, what did you think? This is nice, huh? Mixed cocktail with Belvedere vodka, Red Bull, and Miami souvenir. With a Thai boxing, 1,600. Complimentary water, W Bangkok stationery. If you welcome to W Bangkok outlet phone. The spa menu with prices. If you're not wanting to go to the street spa, everything you want to know about the W Hotel in Bangkok. Welcome, my dear. Welcome. Look at all this gloriousness. You have arrived. Yes. You can even ask for microwave. Oh wait, wow. So this is the view, guys. Look at the view. Wow, amazing. This is a corner suite, so you get to see a lot of Bangkok from the living room. Of course, it's my birthday, so we have balloon, and they gave us some street tonic water. Not quite sure. Indian tonic water, Fever 3. That's the brand. Some, I guess, this is sugar water and some lemonade with a wine glass. Yes, this is a living room, spacious. Oh, this is the bathroom. With the big Thai boxing pillows, some in-room dining for breakfast if you don't want to get breakfast. So for platinum members and above, you get either 1,000 points or breakfast. It's worth more than the 1,000 merit points. So if we chose breakfast, we'll see what they have. But if you don't want to, you can always order it. Clock, which is all fancy. You can actually touch and stuff. Or soon. Touchscreen clock. You can set up your alarm, lighting. There's a message you can put a do not disturb by just pressing here. And AC control that too. You can phone, water. There's this Mentos and this little anything. It's not free, okay? It's 500, but it's kind of cute. I will look. Fancy. There's some balls over there. Bluetooth speaker. Come check out this. It's a corner street with a glorious traffic view. Check it out. Yes, that's normal traffic view. See this traffic? Yeah, that's normal for Bangkok. If you want to look down, you will see that's the pool. Okay, that's the pool right there. Okay, the Ceylon. We are in the middle of Bangkok, and Ceylon is just behind us. This is the bath. The lovely tub, deep and all classy with a really nice tiled flashy tile. I can detect this. Is it back? There's a robe right there. So 2 robes were provided. One is in closet and one is over there. Body products, which is this is the foam pro face wash. This is for your body butter, kind of like a lotion. In here, there's makeup remover, a vanity kit, comb, damper. All right, and below here you have the blowout hair dryer weighing scale, lots of towels. If you can see down here, plenty water is everywhere. So this is a shower. The shower has rain shower as well as the handheld one. Products over there are full-size product. Close it. This is the toilet. One more thing, like Steve job. This is the second closet. The other bathroom that I was saying, skippers as well. That's most important thing for me. Safe. I don't want to be hauling my MacBook laptop anywhere, all over the place. So this is important. If you are in Bangkok and you would like to be in the middle of the action, which is like Ceylon. You want to be close to Bangkok, and Bangkok actually has a lot of jewelry store. I just found out, and you should stay here at the W Bank. It's really flashy and it's just the typical W style. So you enjoy this suite, especially with the corner view. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and travel influencer tips. Breakfast is like $25 worth of breakfast. It's about what, 2,000 baht? No wait, more.